Okay, dear, can you see my screen, please?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, what I want to share with you here is that actually we are able to combine many conditions, and we need to use some kind of operators to be able to mix different conditions. So we have and like that, which is in short, is like you say this condition and this condition. And if you want to say or, so we use that sign. If we want to use not, I know not can be slightly complicated, but let me try to explain it later here. So if you look here,
Okay.
we are telling him that we want to make sure that 2 equals 3 and -1 is less than 5. If both condition is true, then the if statement will execute, whatever in between the curly braces. If it is not, then we will not execute. So is it 2 equals 3?
No.
And is it -1 less than 5?
Yeah.
Okay, but bear in mind here, when we talk about the and, so the and logical operator operate this way. So both of them must be true for in order for this and to actually work. So can you look here, please? So this is condition number 1, and this is condition number 2. So we have a true something called truth table. Have you seen something like that before?
No.
This is the first time?
Yeah. But it
Okay.
makes sense, lah.
Okay, so here, if we want the output
Yeah.
to be true,
Yeah.
both conditions must be true, because we say
Correct.
and, right? P
Yeah.
and Q must be both true. If one is
Yeah.
true, another one is false, or even if
Yeah.
both of them is false, the output would be false. Okay.
Correct.
Now, if we use or, which is
Yeah.
using that sign, so or means
Only
that
one needs to be true.
only one need to be true. So if both of them is
Yeah.
true, also it will be true. If one of them, then also it will be true. And if both of them is false, it will also return false. Okay. So
Yeah.
that is how it works here. So can you see that? Do
Yeah.
you understand that one of them is only true? That's why the result because we use or, so the final result it's true. So it means that whatever inside the if statement will be printed or even executed.
Yeah.
So now, is it 2 equals 3?
No.
So if 2 is not equal 3, it means that this will result into false. But
Yeah,
when
but
we
then you have
use
the
not,
not. Yeah.
yes, so it will be inverted to true.
True. Yeah.
Okay, so good. Now, if we try to combine these two kind of conditions inside the if statement, so we will end up using something like that. So this is the first condition, and this is the second condition, and we are using and.
Yeah.
So we need to check first that x is odd and x is bigger than 0. So if both of them is true, then we'll execute whatever inside here. Does this make sense to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you understand the following code?
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Once again, I'm just reading the code. Okay. Yeah.
Understand. So do you know
Yeah.
why here is false?
It's more than 84.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, now can you also read that code?
Okay. Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
So this is a code he's trying to simulate, not simulate, but just make fun of.
Yeah,
Sometimes,
correct.
yeah, girls like to choose a good age, good height, and then rich. So
Yeah.
but here, so what is the condition here? It's an or condition, right? So
Yeah.
he's either good age and good height or rich.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So the point here that we need to understand that logic expressions is not evaluated first. So if we have something like that, so we need to do these kind of math operations first. And we need to start of course, with the brackets because it have a high precedence. So we evaluate that first, and then we start to evaluate any division and multiplication. And after the division and multiplication, we look at the addition and subtraction. So it means that we need to evaluate this kind of arithmetic operation first, and this arithmetic operation. And after we reach a form like that, then we can evaluate. We can talk about the logical expression. Does this make sense
Yeah.
to you? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you see that expression?
Yeah.
This will not work, because if we evaluate one part of it and then we get out the result. So he is assuming here x equals 15. So x is bigger than or equal to, right? So this will evaluate.
Yeah.
If you say true is less than or equal 10, is it logic? Are we able to compare like that? We cannot compare a boolean
Yeah.
to a
Yeah.
number, right? So this is an
Yeah.
error. We cannot do that. But what we can
Yeah.
do is that we try to rewrite that expression into that form.
Yeah.
Does this make sense to you? So we can compare true to false, but not true to 10. Does this make
Yeah.
sense?
Yeah.
Good. So this is the order of executing or operating the operators. Okay. So if you
Yeah.
look here,
Okay.
So all this is arithmetic operations. They have a high priority.
Yeah.
Then the equality checking and bigger than or equal or bigger than or equal and
Equal
less
to,
than
yeah.
or equal. Yes, and here is the logic operations. And so this is until here. And this is the assignment. So it means that all this can only be done after we do all this. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you try to tell me then how we can evaluate that expression here?
Okay. Okay, what?
Yeah, I mean, I understand it's okay.
Can what? Yeah, okay.
Yes,
So
but the point here, how you did you see here?
Yeah, so Z is 5, so it'd be true. Then all false. and false as well, yeah.
But wait, when we see there is addition,
Yeah.
so let me go back here. So which one need to be executed first? Here, this is AND, and this is OR.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
AND need to be evaluated first, not the OR. You started from the left, but actually you're supposed to start from the right, because why? You see here that
Yeah.
the addition need to be evaluated first. So
Yeah.
you need to evaluate this and this first. After you finish that evaluation, you evaluate this. So now tell me, y is bigger than less than 3, right?
Yeah.
Or less than 3?
No, y is bigger than 3.
So this is false. Okay, x
Yeah.
bigger than 3?
False.
False. So false and false result in what?
False.
Okay, good. So false and this evaluate to what?
This is true.
So we have
So you get false
true
and true.
or false. So the result here
Yeah.
that is what? What should we store inside A? True or false? So here, in short, you are saying true or false.
Yeah. So then you take true, right?
Yes, because it's an or.
Yeah.
So this means that whatever is stored inside A is false or true.
Yeah.
True or false?
Inside A is true.
Okay. Are you able to please write this code?
Okay.
And I think I prefer that you share your screen, please.
Okay. Can you send the on WhatsApp?
Sure.
Okay. I need a print. Yeah, it's true.
Okay. Can you please create another copy this line 197
Okay.
and put it in a new line. But
Okay.
instead of using A here, change it to B small. Okay. And I want you
Okay.
to reverse these two. So it means that instead of or, put and instead of and, put or. And try to print
Okay.
B, please.
Yeah, no, it's false.
Can you tell me what is the reason for that?
Because Z is false. So when you put Z and, so it'll be false and true, which is it's not or. So for and, you need both things to be true.
Perfect. Okay, good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, then let me continue explaining here.
Okay.
I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah.
Okay, can you help me know what is the outcome of that? Is it true or false? So y is less than x or not?
No. So it's false.
Y
Hey, sorry. True.
true. Yeah.
Y
Okay.
is less than Z. Yeah, true.
So this is also true?
Yeah.
Okay. So true and true?
Yeah. True.
Okay. And what about that?
Uh,
So what should we do? Should we
this is
evaluate the
false.
equal first or the or first?
The office.
Okay, good. When we deciding something like that, we look at that table.
Yeah.
Tell
The
me,
the office.
you sure the or first?
Yeah, the equal is at the bottom.
No, who said?
Oh, sorry. Comparisons. Yeah. Sorry. It's the equal first.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you tell me. When we evaluate
Okay.
this equal first, so what is
Yeah.
the x modulus 2 and
Yeah,
y
it's not the
modulus
same.
not equal, so it's false?
No. Yeah.
Okay, so false. Okay, and here
False.
also.
Yeah.
Okay, so so result is
False.
okay, good. And now have a look at this maximum. What does it do actually, this maximum?
Uh, it just will return to you the bigger number.
Excellent. But do you see here he using else? He doesn't use else if. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. But
Because
now can you try to write that code? This kind of code that is appearing, except
okay.
this.
Okay. Well, first I need to identify A and B. Yeah.
Put maybe A as a 10, B as a 5.
Okay.
But don't put that inside the method itself. The method definition should have no numbers.
Yeah. Put 5 and 2. One error. Missing return statement, but I put
Interesting. Why he doesn't accept your return statement?
is it because I need to put an else?
So when you put that you're going to return here an integer,
Yeah.
and you put the return inside an if statement like that. So when is this return statement is going to be executed?
When A is bigger than B, then you will get
Okay,
executed.
and if B is bigger,
Then nothing will happen.
nothing will happen, right? So it means that
Yeah.
this return will not be executed. So he will
Yeah.
search for another return he will not find. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So can you change the code from this to this?
Okay. I'm running, but it's still
Show an error, right?
no, it's still running. 25 seconds, it's still running.
Wow.
Yeah. Maybe I stop and run again.
Okay.
It's not stopping also. Oh, yeah, okay. There you go, one error, missing return statement.
So okay, to the eyes of the Java, as long as there is an if statement, it means that there is a chance that this line will be not executed. So he does not really accept that his return statement is based on a condition. He always want to see a return statement. He always want to see a return statement. So if you change back the code to this format, he will accept it. Because in his eyes, he will see if this condition is not met, automatically this condition will be met. So,
Yeah.
so always he will see a return statement which satisfies what this function or method is doing. So he will accept that. But if you use the other two forms that you just tried now, he will not accept that. He will always give you an error. Did you understand now why he will give an error? Okay, good.
Okay.
So, okay, these two, you already have seen that, and that's logic. What about this? Can you try to tell me why he will accept that form?
He didn't accept what?
No, I mean, wait, I'm talking about here, this. So tell me when this will be executed and when this will be executed.
That one A will be executed if the A is greater than B.
Okay, and if it is B bigger,
Then nothing will happen. But then B will be Well, then it says return B, so B will be executed.
Okay, so if A is bigger than B, will ever this be executed?
No.
So do you know that, or is it clear to your mind that after a return statement, nothing else will be executed? So if you put a return statement here and it is executed,
Yeah.
he will ignore everything that comes after it. Is it clear to your mind?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, can you please write this code and try to run
Okay.
one time when A equal 10 and B equal 5 and reverse that. Run when A equal 5 and B equal 10.
Okay.
So it means that you will call maximum 2 times.
You get true and then false. When I run.
No, you cannot get true and false. This doesn't make sense. The return is integer.
Yeah, but I got true and false. Is it from earlier? I think I forgot to comment my earlier code. I didn't comment it. Okay. But it means this one gave me no output.
Why? Why it doesn't give you an output?
I don't know.
So when we are returning something from method, if we don't print it or store it somewhere, it will be gone with the wind.
Yeah, yeah.
So you have to put it inside a print statement. So every max, you have to put it inside a print statement to see what it returns.
Yeah, wait, yeah, let me print both of them. Okay. I got 10 and 10 both times when I printed.
Really?
Yeah.
Why is it?
I don't know.
So what is the purpose of that max? What is the purpose of the method?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it just gets me the bigger number, so it will give me 10 both times.
Yeah, so it's logic, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, can you make a method based on what you see here that giving me the minimum?
Yeah.
Okay, show me how you
need to swap. I just swap the sign.
Okay.
And then.
Excellent.
Yeah, then I get 5 and 5.
Okay, good. So now I would like to ask you one thing. Did you know? No, we have to close. Sorry. Then we continue.
Yeah. Okay.